Oh, hi. How you doing? My name's Ken. I'm actually Pops. That's what they call me around here. Probably the hardest working freaking fella in the dealership, for crying out loud. I've been here about for 7 years, and they got me going all over the goddamn place. You know, I deliver parts, I do licensing, I even pick up lunch for the guys now and then, for crying out loud. I even sweep the floor, take out boxes, the whole bit. My buddy over here always makes fun of me in the parts department. I don't know about this place. There's better ways to make money than this. This is one of my bosses, Rudy. I even have to ask him if I can go to the washroom. Could I go to the washroom? See what I mean? He doesn't even pay any respect towards me. I don't know. I wonder if there's another place I could go. Maybe another dealership, Rudy. I don't know. Hey, Darren. Where's Darren? Oh, I'm just going to wait for Darren. Darren's not around, eh? Hey.
Hey, good morning, Emerson. How are you?
Here's Joy. Joy's good. She's probably one of the nicest ladies around. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, Darren, if you're... New book, eh? I got it for you.
That's amazing, man. I'm actually really busy.
Whoa, I want to talk about it. Did you see that new series? Oh, well. Anyway, that's a day in the life of Pops. Sorry about that. Nice meeting you, by the way.
I can't stand winter. I hate colds. I like selling cars, but right now I'm not selling cars. I'm cleaning it. I'm cleaning snow off cars. I don't like snow. I like cars. I like to sell them. I don't like snow because I don't want to have anything to do with it. I'm not selling snow. I'm selling cars. But there's no one here because of snow. So, go away, snow. I don't like you.
I don't have time right now. I'm trying to get dealer trades. I just finished doing the lot. I'm sending in emails. I'm following up with leads. I'm just too busy.
I know Dean wants me to be following up on leads, but, like, look at that, man. It's cool.